Meena Shah from Life and Health Online, webinars on positive health, positive life and positive work. I'm into training with corporate world since more than 30 years now. And I'm so happy that I have been able to impact the lives of lakhs and lakhs of people through my communication, through my direct communication in the workshops, and now even through the webinars. So it's a great feeling to reach out to you today through this video about why do we need to plan for our health, or why do we need to plan for our life, and how do we plan for it. So I personally feel that we need to plan for our health, we need to plan for our life. One most important reason is because I am important in my life. I am living my life. And when I am living my life, I am the most important person in my life. So do I want to live my life by default or whatever way it comes in front of me? Or do I want to design it? So it's by default or design? Is it by chance or by choice? जब मैं बाय चॉइस और बाय डिज़ाइन अपनी ज़िंदगी जीना चाहती हूँ, तब मैं ये भी सोचूंगी ना कि मैं क्यों करूँ ये प्लानिंग, मैं क्यों करूँ डिज़ाइन. ज़िंदगी ऐसे ही चल रही है तो चलने देती हूँ. मगर जब मैं ये सोचती हूँ कि मेरी ज़िंदगी है और मेरी ज़िंदगी का ये पर्पस भी है कि मैं अच्छे स्वास्थ्य के साथ जीऊँ, खुशी के साथ जीऊँ और अपना इंटेलिजेंस, अपनी एक्सपर्टीज़ और अच्छे से एक्सप्रेस करूँ और कुछ इस दुनिया में भी अच्छा इम्पैक्ट छोड़ के जाऊँ. So that is one important reason I find important to design my life and live it by choice. If you think it's right, then you start designing it yourself also. Each person will have a different design, different purpose, and it's fine. So today, why should we do it? So how should we do it? So what I think is, okay, from this day onwards till next 10 years, say, what are the important responsibility role I need to play in my life and for myself? So then I design accordingly. Okay, I'm a mother, then I need to have children raised up to this level, have them educated, have them have good values in the life, have them settle in the life. Then I'm a professional person, so where do I want to be next 10 years? So what do I do for that? Then I have certain way I want to develop my health, I want to improve the level of my fitness, level of my health at which it is right now, and then I plan for that. Okay. And then other area is also important for all of us today is, okay, what do I want last 10 years of my life to be like? That's very important. If last 10 years of my life I want to be physically independent and active, taking care of myself, not depend on anybody, then I don't need to take care of my health accordingly from today. Not it will happen suddenly in the last 10 years. If I want to be financially independent in last 10 years of my life, maybe I need to plan and do something about that now also. If I want to be intellectually active, then I need to nourish my mind with new learning even today. When I do it today, then my brain cells will remain charged up and keep learning new things even as long as I want to do it. And then if I want to be emotionally independent in last 10 years of my life, then how do I manage my relationships now? How do I make it interdependent? How do I make it joyful with whomever I'm living, interacting, working? From today, emotionally, I make myself like that. So think about your life. You are important in your life. Plan your life. Maybe through what I have told you, next 10 years of life, what you want in your life, what are your role responsibility, what are your dreams, and plan accordingly. But don't forget to plan your life, that what you want and how you want to live your life in last 10 years of your life.